welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to be doing a hot oil treatment for the girlies here in, are we the southern or the northern? Whichever hemisphere Australia is in. Us on this side, it's winter. For most of the world, actually, it's winter. So our hair is sort of going through it, especially if you live in Melbourne. It's been icy out here. It's winter, it's cold, it's chilly. So let's jump straight into the video. I've got my handy dandy towel here, and that's going to be used to just cover myself because oil obviously stains and it will drip all over the place. So I am going to be using a couple different oils for my hot oil treatment. You want to use your main oil, which is the oil that's going to sit on your head, and then you also want a scalp oil. You can use the exact same oil for the exact same things if you want. I have a couple different oils. I have a small teeny weeny bottle of the Moroccan oil treatment. I think I have 3 or 4 of these or something like that, as well as I have argan oil. What I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start off with using a scalp oil. So just any generic scalp oil that you want to use. And what we're going to do, let me get my head antenna. So cute. I don't have a clip. I do, but where is it? I don't know. Let's do this instead. Okay, so I'm gonna put some oil in my actual scalp so that my scalp is also getting the benefit of the, the treatment. So any generic scalp oil that you have, if you don't have a scalp oil, you can still use whatever oil that you've been using. So if you're gonna use the Moroccan oil or the argan oil, the jojoba oil, the coconut oil, you can just do it the old school way of parting and this. I'm not gonna do that. I don't have time for that. What I'm gonna do is with the spout and just go in with my oil directly onto my scalp. And you want to be so generous here because you are going to be washing it out after a while anyway. So you just want to really douse your hair in the oil and just make sure your scalp is getting all that love and care. And this also helps with your what's it called, your dandruff. If you have dandruff and things like that, this is a really good thing to do, especially during the colder months, or just in general anyway. Yeah, so as you can see, it's already started seeping through. I've lost my spout thing, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this old bottle. I'll just put the rest of the oil because their oil is really nice anyway for... So you can use an old bottle that you have. I'm just going to use this old bottle and I'm going to put in a little bit of everything. I'm going to put in some Moroccan oil, argan oil. So in my previous videos I heated the oil up, but I'm not going to heat the oil up because we're going to be using my heat cap, so that's going to do the heating for me. So I'm going to put this on my hair, we're going to have dinner, do what we need to do, then I'm going to come back and wash my hair with some shampoo and some conditioner. If you don't have the heat cap or a way like a microwave heat cap or something along those lines, you can always do the old school way of just heating up the oil itself. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take my wedding ring off because I'm dealing with a lot of oils and I don't want it. So I'm going to get the oil and I'm just going to douse my hair in the oil. and just work it through my hair and just make sure my hair is really well coated. So as you can see, my hair is starting to get really hydrated. Section some areas, put some more in. Section. Now it really depends on you. If this is enough for you, you can go like this. If you want more, you can do more. What I'm gonna do is just wet my hair a little bit, just like that. And that is all oil. So I've got my cap on, got my electric heat cap. Plug that bad boy in. Excuse me. Just getting through. Turn her on. And we wait. So I'm gonna have this on for maybe about 30 minutes before I come back, wash my hair, and we'll see the results. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes and there's a lot of moisture going on here. It's very hot. Let me show you what's going down. It's so soft, wow. It's very hot though. All right, I'm going to wash my hair with a conditioner only, not a shampoo, because I don't want to strip my hair too much. So I'm just going to rinse it out with a conditioner, and then we'll see what it looks like. So this is what it's currently looking like. So this is what my hair is looking like post-wash. My scalp. So really well moisturized, and my hair as well is very well moisturized. So I did also go in with a shampoo just so that you can take a little bit of the oil out, because I don't want too much oil. So I just went in with a little bit less shampoo than I normally do. Then I went in with a conditioner. So I went conditioner, shampoo, conditioner. So this is a definite benefit for you, especially for us in the winter months right now. Just to maintain your hair health. I'm gonna put a leave-in conditioner of my choice. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts. Let me know if you're going to be trying out the hot oil treatment, or if you're going to be buying the heat cap, if you haven't from when we previously did the video. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. We are on the road to 100K, so your support really does help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.